How can I fit all of this library in one single list? Like this? That looks familiar, but it works differently. I can help you how to understand about hard disk. Come follow me. Wow! So dark! Where are we? We're inside a computer. Does computer have hard disk? Yes, computer does have hard disk. Should we take a look at its components?
The component consists of ribbon cable, actuator axis with or right head, platter, spindle, actuator arm, and mini PCB.
Magnetized bits. The platter surface is coated in tiny regions of ferromagnetic material. These regions are magnetically polarized north or south to represent binary ones and zeros. As the head glides over a polarized segment, its localized magnetism induces a tiny positive or negative electrical current within the head's coil. The controller interprets this current to identify whether the bit is a 1 or 0. This arrangement of binary number can be translated to image and other alphabets. The computer sends an electrical current through the head's coil. When the data have been translated, we can see the image or whatever we record it back. The current generates a targeted magnetic field strong enough to flip the magnetic polarity of the underlying disk segment.
But how does it apply the concept of magnetism in our class? Wait! I'm going to explain about that.
The component that we will focus more on this device is the disk platter, right and read head. This device applies electromagnetic induction, more specifically the Lenz's law. The polarity of the induced EMF or direction of the induced current with respect to the change in magnetic flux can be determined by using Lenz's law. This is applied inside the plate when right head rapidly switches direction of its magnetic field right from north to south and south to north. It will causes the change in magnetic flux on the platter. Here, we can apply this formula. But the presence of Lenz's law induces unnecessary eddy current.
What is an eddy current?
Motion of electric charge induced entirely within a conducting material by electromagnetic waves in the conductive platter surface. Eddy current induced in a power transformer core represent lost power and are undesirable because it generates its own magnetic field that opposes and weakens the right head fields. Thus, to prevent this, right head and read head is doped with high resistivity material without losing current magnitude on them, such as GMR and TMR for more efficiency. Because increase in R will reduce I, which is eddy electric current.
Oh, so I can see that if there is no electromagnet inside this device, or even if they fail to work, it will disrupt the whole functionality because the drive cannot save data, fail to function properly, and cannot navigate this. After listening to you guys' explanation, I think I remember one verse from Al-Quran that can relate with this. It is from Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 32. Protective shield, Saqfan Hafizan, means the atmosphere protects us. However, the Quran said protected shield, Saqfan Mahfuzan, that is the atmosphere itself is protected. Earth's atmosphere is protected by this invisible magnetic field called magnetosphere that are capable of mitigating or blocking the effects of solar radiation or cosmic radiation that also protects all living organisms from potentially detrimental and dangerous consequences. This is why this verse says protected shield, because this atmosphere, our visible shield, is also being protected. A bar magnet creates an invisible magnetic field around it. The magnetic field spreads from the North Pole to the South Pole and can influence objects without touching them. This shows that magnetism is not only inside the magnet but also exists in the surrounding space as a magnetic region.
I think hard disk can be found in many things nowadays because it comes in different sizes.
What do you think the impact of this device on today's industry and human activities?
I think I know. The long-standing maturity of the technology offers high capacity at a low financial cost, and magnetic data retention is highly reliable, which can easily preserve stored for 10 to 20 years without power, making it difficult for data loss.
Okay, that's all from us.
Thank you for your attention.
Bye!